Hi, welcome to today's video tutorial where we will show you how to create an automation between remove.bg and Google Drive using Zapier. Following these steps, you can fully automate your image background removal process with just a few clicks. What is Zapier? Zapier is an online automation tool that connects apps and services. You can connect 2 or more apps to automate repetitive tasks without coding or relying on developers to build the integration. You can make use of various triggers and actions to create your automations. If you're looking for an automated solution to remove backgrounds in bulk, or get your images ready for your workflow with only a few clicks and therefore save time and money, using Zapier integration is one of the many ways how remove.bg can help you achieving that. Now that we know how and why Zapier is used, let's continue with the video. You can find the Zapier remove.bg integration page on the remove.bg website under For Business, Tools and API, Automation, Zapier, or with the link in bio. Disclaimer: for the integrations shown on this video to work, you will need a remove.bg and Google account, as well as at a minimum professional Zapier account. Step 1. Log in and navigate to Workspace. When logged into your Zapier account, click on Create and Zap. You will be directed to Workspace shown on the screen. Step 2. Start with choosing a trigger. On the Workspace, you must first choose a trigger app. In this case, we will choose Google Drive to be the trigger app. You can see that there are other apps available to choose from depending on your preference, such as Dropbox, OneDrive, etc. Selecting Google Drive as a trigger app, you will see on the right-hand side a sidebar pop up. The contents of the sidebar depends on the app you select. Select the trigger event that will kick off your automation, which in this case will be New File in Folder. Once this is set up, every time new images are added to a certain folder on your Google Drive, this will trigger the rest of the automation, which will be automatic background removal. Click Continue. Next, you will be moved over to Account section. Here you will need to connect your Google Drive account in a separate window. You can see your email here. Clicking Continue, now you can select which drive and folder you want the trigger to originate from. Please note that all your Google Drive folders will have a unique ID, and even if you change the name of the folder, the ID will stay the same and the automation you set up will continue to work, regardless of the name change. Next, you can test your trigger, but in order to test it, we need to add a second app where the action will take place. You guessed it, here we add remove.bg. Step 3. Choose your action app. Type remove.bg in the search bar and select the app. For the event, select Remove Image Background. Next, under Account, you need to link your remove.bg account. Next, under Action, we need to specify what the automation does with the image. Under Image File, you will see all of the info Zapier can view from Google Drive. You need to select File here, because we need the content of the file or the file itself for this automation. Then it asks you for the size. This depends on your preference, whether you want to process your images in SD or HD through this automation. Note that HD images will be charged 1 credit. For output image format, you can select PNG, as background removed images often come in PNG format. You can see here other options that are customizable through the remove.bg API. How this integration is working is that it is actually connecting to the remove.bg API. You can also choose to add a background color or a completely new background to your images with this automation, which can be set up here also. Step 4. Choose Output Action. As the third step in this automation, we would again add Google Drive, so all your background removed images can be collected in a separate folder in your Google Drive. For Event, choose Upload File. You can see your Google account is connected. Move along to Action. Select Google account again and which folder to put the processed files into. Important, here it will ask you which file, for which we need to select Result Image. You can now continue and test your automation. The image or images that were in your original folder should be processed with remove.bg and automatically uploaded into your final output folder. This video demonstrated how easy it is to automate your workflow by integrating remove.bg with Google Drive using Zapier. There are hundreds of apps you can integrate with remove.bg, not only various cloud drives such as Google Drive, OneDrive, Dropbox, but also e-commerce, photography, or social media specific apps, and much more. You can find all of them on remove.bg's website under For Business, Tools and API, Automation. We hope that this video was useful for you. If you're working with high volume of images and need a custom or automated solution, feel free to get in touch via the link in bio.